Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. It's 12:30, July 20, Wednesday. The question bar is open, so you can send me your question. We will answer it at the end of the show. So today, the market it's strong and not strong. It's only 44 points on the Dow, 0.25%. So this is not strong, but it's 52 points on Nasdaq, up more than 1%, mostly because of Microsoft, but the stock like Facebook, Google, Tesla, Netflix, all are rebounding. But everything starts with Microsoft earning yesterday. Microsoft is approximately up 7%, 6% today. So when we look at the intraday chart, Nasdaq was up since approximately 10:45. Since then, it's completely neutral. On the Dow, we opened positive because of Microsoft, lost everything because of all of the other stock, but came back. And now we're neutral at the top of the day, approximately. S&P, it's like Nasdaq, and we're completely flat since more than an hour. So since an hour and a half, the market didn't move. On the TSX, we open at 0, go back negative because all of the resource was negative this morning. Energy, mining, gold. And we rebound. Approximately at 10:30 we start the rebound just before because of the oil inventory. Oil inventory show a decreasing of the decreasing of the gasoline and the decreasing of all the subsector and the oil inventory as a whole. So we had a big spike on the oil, helped the TSX, and also it helped the US market. The second push on the US market was because of the oil inventory. Now TSX were decreasing. Why? Mostly gold, who is lower than the low of this morning, so gold stay weak. And if we remove gold, it's a little bit financed since 11:15. That is correction, but it's not a lot. Industrial, we had the CP earning this morning, but during the day it was up. Staple consumption also, it's completely neutral, but the nice sector to monitor this afternoon, it's the energy. Look at the move in the energy. The move starts a little bit before the 10:30, but at 10:30 we have 4 big quote for the energy. Now we was in a correction, but now we're flat, and if we make a new move, it will be interesting for day trading the stock. Mining also is interesting to monitor this morning. We had a big movement downward on tech, First Quantum, Hudbay, London, and we start a big rebound. London is now in breakout. Tech and First Quantum recoup all the losses of this morning, and we're in a small correction. But if we could make a new move, 632.6 approximately on the mining sector, we could have nice stock for day trading. Also gold, a lot of breakdown. We talk about the gold since a couple of days, and last week also that the GLD, the gold, is a lot weaker. GLD was a lot weaker in the last since July 12th than the sector. But today we had a real breakdown, and we also had a real breakdown right there on the sector. We have a lot of breakdown. Agnico Eagle, Barrick Gold. I think Barrick Gold is the most interesting for someone who wants to short the sector. I would prefer to short Barrick Gold than the sector. I don't want to short stock that is their first day. And look also on the trend. This is the risk if you want to short the gold. The gold is really strong since the beginning of the year, and every time we have trying to have a breakdown, we rebound on the trend. So I don't think that we have a lot of potential on a stock like Agnico Eagle. On a stock like Barrick, we could go to 25, so it's $1.50. It's not a lot, but it's the most interesting one. Goldcorp, we are still in the trend. Same for Yamana, we are still in the trend. So we speak since July 12th about take second profit on your gold position if you make a lot of profit, but now it's more about close your position. If you have opened the gold position on Agnico July 13, you need to close there. You cannot take the risk that another 5% that will lose. You probably lose right now approximately $4 or $5, so 6% approximately. If you have opened your Agnico Eagle stock on June 24th, you're still higher. Your price is the trend. You can wait for tomorrow if you have took profit. On Barrick, you should close any position today. It's the weaker gold. On Goldcorp, it's if you have opened a position there, you had a couple of you was supposed to close it there. So today it's another day where you should close, but you're on the trend. If you have opened the position on June 24th, keep it for the moment. But if we break this, close the position. So it's all about where you have opened your gold position. If you still make money, you could wait. So a stock like Yamana, if you have opened the position on July 4th, you could wait to see. But if we go back tomorrow under $7, you should have closed. But if you have buy at 7.14, take a profit. It's approximately 10% that we make, just under 8. It's now time to think about closing the position if we go lower than 7. So this is it on the gold. It's the weakest sector today. The mining sector, it was all about the rebound on the mining. So it was we continued the trend this morning, but we rebound. London mining, it's a breakout. It's the second day in a row, but it's a new breakout. On turquoise, we are the resistance, and stock like tech was interesting for day trading. This morning I will show you with a 3-minute bar chart. So now we have to wait to see the second movement. If we break 1710, it could be also a short position for short term. Go back to 1650. It will be possible if we make a breakdown and we see the market make a correction in the afternoon. Same for First Quantum. Next movement will be interesting on the upside at 10.10. It's nice. If we break 10, it could be a breakdown. And if we go back to the low, it's approximately 4%. Hudbay, same thing, but he's rebounding less than the two others, but he's in the same formation. 663 will be an entry point. For an entry points on the downside, I will prefer stock like First Quantum or Tech. So this is it for the mining. The silver, it's the same situation than in the gold. And for the energy, but it's all about the USO. I will show you the resource. So you see USO at 10:30 on the inventory. We had 1 5-minute where we didn't know where we go, and after that we had one movement on the upside. It's up right now 44 cents, just higher than $45. The gold, was really weak this morning, down approximately between $15 and $20. We had a rebound, but now we're breaking down again, so the gold could make a new low. If you want to play the oil sector for the gold, it's HGD in Canada and DUST in the States. Silver also is rebounding, but the stocks stay weak. So for the energy, nat gas is breaking down, but we saved the situation on the oil, but we're still in the downtrend. It's still not the time to buy oil on the upside. We have to break, but if we could close over 11 today or tomorrow, I think a stock like HOU could be interesting. For the sector, we're still in the same neutral formation. It was not far from a breakdown this morning, but for the moment, so we had a breakout on a Vermilion Energy. We had to, I think it's the only breakout that we have. We have a couple of stocks at the top of their resistance, but it's still, oil is still weak, and the sector is not able to move past its resistance. So for the moment, it's just about saving the situation and the energy. We also save it in the state. If you look at Dow Jones, US, EN, or XLE, it wasn't breakdown this morning. It was a down cycle, but we rebound. Now we're back neutral formation. So this is it. I think we had the pause in a couple of seconds. So we'll go to the pause right now, and don't forget to put some question if you want the show to stay longer.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
If we look at the stronger stock and all of the other sector in the industry, it's all about the boat railway. They are really strong since the Brexit. If we look at it, 72 from 82, and on the CP, it's approximately 156 to 195. So more than 20%, approximately 25%. It was the earning of Canadian Pacific today, so they beat on the earning per share, but the revenue was down 12%. We have also the engineering stock today that was strong. SNC, we lost some momentum, but Stantec, we stay really strong, but a lot of resistance. My favorite was WSP Global this morning. If we go back to 40, we'll have an entry point. Discretionary consumption, it's upward movement. So a restaurant brand, you're not far if you have opened a position on July 18 to take a profit today. Dollarama, it's a new all-time high, not an entry point. In Aircare also, this was the strongest stock in the other sector. I have a couple of stocks that I want to show you in the subsector in the States. So in the solar, we had a couple of nice stocks. The ETF didn't break for the moment, but we have OPTT, who is really strong for day trading right now. It's our stock for the on Facebook for the day trading of the day. So we had a couple of really nice entry points. It's a 3-minute bar chart. So we had one there, one there, one there, one there. And the next one is just right now at 1430, 1424 we are right now. If you open the position there, you can close the position around 1342. So it's still 80 cents. It's more than 5%, but it could be really interesting, this stock. And we have stock who could break out in the afternoon. So stock like Jazo Solar Holding, SunPower, and Vivint Solar. And the marine transport, the ETF is not strong, but we have breakout on Frontline, Globus Maritime, and we could have breakout also on TK Tanker. TK, I like it. Around 221 will be interesting. Volume is still 500,000. TK Offshore, this is like a sub company of TK Tanker. Is less stronger. And Navios Maritime also could easily break out in the afternoon in the market continue. Same thing for Scorpio Tanker. And the biotechnology healthcare, we have a breakout to this breakout today. We don't have a lot of stock who are breaking out. It's mostly like a lot of stock in the healthcare are pushing up. But BIB, this is the biotech 3 time. So we had a big move this morning. Now it's flat like the market. We have to see the next movement, but this one could be a good one in the afternoon. And we have stock like Acadia Pharmaceutical breaking out, real estate restoration. Oh, this is not I'm not sure this is a good stock, ONVO, but it's a real breakout. After we have a lot of neutral formation like Allozyme, Ocular Therapeutic on a double bottom, Suncampo Pharmaceutic, BioCrisp Pharmaceutic. This is all stock who could be strong in the afternoon and offer potential for day trading or swing trading. I have a couple of news, so I will answer the news, the question right now. Bought NPC at 111. What to do now? NPC. Oh, NAPEC. Okay, I have really no idea what this stock is. It's in the automobile industry. 111, so by 111, so you just open the position probably there. It was a breakout. Now you make 5 cents, approximately 5%. If you think the stock will, if you're nervous about your position, you could take a profit 5%. If you go back to 118, it will be more interesting. And with the bid and ask, I will wait, but if you touch 118, 120, I will take a profit on NAPEC. It's a stock who make a good volume today, but someday it didn't make a lot of movement. I just don't know what they do in the automobile industry. What do you think is the uptrend in stock is continuing? I have the same question I answered, I think, yesterday. I think it's all about the earning right now. The technology, we had strong earning on Microsoft. We have strong earning on the bank. Also, the revenue are continue to be lower, but they managed to increase their earning per share. I think at the end of the earning season, what we want to see, if we can stop the negative growth and the net earning. Now we have a net earning of minus 5% approximately since the beginning, but we just have like 20% of the S&P 500 stock. I think if the earnings are strong, I think the movement will continue. We'll have the FOMC announcement next week. I don't think they will increase the rate. I think they will continue to monitor. It's possible that we'll have an increase of the rate in September. Really not sure. So I think for the moment, what's pushed the market higher, we have the job report last week. I think that the market, all the central bank will put money in the system against Bank of Japan next week. We have the BC tomorrow, ECB, but I think that they will stay on the sideline. Everybody think that the Bank of England will do something big at the August meeting. They said it last week that they will continue to monitor, but I think the chance of a cut of the rates is really strong in UK. So we have Bank of Japan, we have Bank of England that will continue to help the stock. Bank of European Bank, I think they will wait tomorrow, but they could still do something. And the Fed, for the moment, will stay on the sideline. So this helped, and the earnings are strong since the beginning of the season last week. If you want to see the detail on the earnings, because I think it's really important right now, every Friday we publish the summary of the week in French on our Facebook pages, and you will have the number. Number is French and English, it's the same thing. Okay, so I just have a precision on the NAPEC. They build and maintain electric transmission. So it's probably for the big truck. So it could be a good stock. I think 118, 120, you should take a profit if it's on a short term that you have opened the position. If it's long term, it's because you know better the fundamental than me, and you can keep the stock. But the stock is in a nice uptrend. Have a nice day, everyone. See you next week, Wednesday, for an update on the market.